Welcome everyone. Here is how to fix Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the screen not responding to touch. So the good news is this is just a software glitch. It can be fixed by doing a force restart and no data will be lost. So all you need to do is press and hold both power and volume down together. So let's press and hold these two down and keep these two held down for around 15 to 30 seconds. So you may not see this power icon, just don't worry. What you should see is the screen will go black and then just wait a little bit longer and then we'll just release from both buttons. Eventually you should see the Samsung logo, you're good to go. If that didn't work, try again, but just hold those two buttons down for 45 seconds instead of the 15 I initially did. Now real quick, YouTube don't promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful, thank you. Have a nice rest of your day, bye bye.